Okay, so previously I know I've spoke to you guys about doing like flipped like style lessons, and I was going to show you one way that you can use it. We have Screencast-O-Matic, which is an online program. When you go to use it, this is what I'm using. You create the size of the screen that you want to use, then you simply hit record. You can record it and then upload it into your Google Classroom, into a YouTube video, anything else. If you're wanting to use your document camera and make a recording so that you can show it to your students, you just open Sphere, and then there's your area. Also on Sphere, it has a spot, which is right here, where you can record your screen as well, okay? But you have whatever it is that you want to record here in your document camera. So if you're wanting to narrate a PowerPoint, you can just do present, and then as it goes through, you can narrate it and talk to them about the PowerPoint as you go through it. Super simple and easy. You can even show them how to search up stuff, how to use a specific website, anything like that. Anything that's on your screen that you can project onto your screen, you can record. So I highly suggest, now that we're starting to use small groups and differentiation, that you create just short little clips so that you're not having to stand at each station and present to each child. You can have it on your Google Classroom. You can submit it to very specific children. I'll show you how to do that. If I want to create an announcement, which is what you would probably do, you would click an announcement, and where it says all students, you would just assign it. You would click all students there and then assign it to specific students. And then that way, if you have your high group, your medium group, and your low group, you can break them up like that, and that way they get the instruction that they need specifically. I hope this helps you a great deal. If you need any additional information or extra help, please let me know. Thanks.